If you had asked me 5 years ago if writing workshops were a waste of money, I would have absolutely said yes. I'd spent thousands of dollars on trainings and workshops for my writing, and they had made no difference at all. I was still a terrible writer. And so last year, when I set out to design our scene writing workshop here at StoryGrid, I wanted to make sure it wasn't like those workshops that had taken my money and been a waste of time. And so now we've had over 250 people go through these workshops, which is absolutely insane. I mean, first of all, I'm not a famous writer. None of the coaches or trainers in the workshops are famous writers, and yet still over 250 people have paid over $1,000 to come into one of our scene writing workshops. How is that possible? And even more importantly, what have the results been? Now, I'll get into some of the results in a moment, but there's one number that you need to care about that's really important here, and that number is 71. So why should you care about this number? Well, there's this type of survey that businesses do called the Net Promoter Score survey. And you may have taken one of these. It's where you're asked, how likely are you to recommend a product or service to a friend? And we've been running this survey since the very first class. So we've offered this survey to every student that's gone through the workshops. So here's the thing about these Net Promoter Score surveys. If you get a 20 to 30 overall, like overall across all the surveys that your customers or students take, and you get a 20 to 30, that's considered good. If you get up to 50, that's considered excellent. And our workshops are getting 71. That is considered world class. If you ask any businessy person that knows anything about the Net Promoter Score survey and tell them that something is getting a 71, they're probably going to be very surprised because it's very rare that you get a score that high. And yet, that's what our workshops are getting. And so let me ask this again. How is this possible? Why are we having so many people sign up for these and getting such great results? Well, I think it comes down to four simple things. Now, before I get into those, I want to let you know who I am. I am the CEO of StoryGrid, and I'm the author of 6 books. My most recent is The Shithead, which has been lauded by New York Times and Wall Street Journal bestselling authors. My partner, Sean Coyne, is a world-class storyteller. He's been an editor, researcher, and writer for over 30 years. He came up with StoryGrid, and everything we teach on this video and on this YouTube channel and at StoryGrid is based on his 30 plus years experience and expertise. So let's get into that first reason why these workshops are working so well. When I started these workshops, I ran the entire thing myself. And like I said, I was trying to come up with something that would definitely be worth people's money, that at the end of it, they would be really happy with it. And so I looked at it and I decided, hey, I'm just going to have people write scenes, turn them into me. I'll give them some feedback, and then I'll have them try it again. And that was my entire idea for how I was going to run the class. I do a little bit of training, then just have people write something. I give them some feedback and told them to try again. And that first week, I was pretty surprised. I had a couple students that were terrible. There's one in particular, Joe, who turned in a scene that was unreadable. Like, I looked at this scene and I really thought, I can't help this guy. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I should just give him his money back now. This is so bad. I don't know how I'm going to help him. And so I thought, well, let me just give it a try. Worst case scenario, at the end of the workshop, I'll just give him his money back if I feel like he hasn't made the progress that he needs to. So I gave him the feedback. Here's what you did right. Here's what you did wrong. Homework for the next week. And he got pretty good the next week. And then the next week, he got a lot better. And by the final week, he wrote one of the top 3 scenes in the entire class. And I've just seen this happen over and over and over for our students, that in just this workshop, they become significantly and demonstrably better, not just to me, but to themselves as well. We have so many students that can tell just even after the first week how much better they've gotten. So I think the first reason why the workshops are so successful is because of the outcome. The students are actually better writers and they feel like they have been able to make that improvement. They can go back to the first scene they wrote in the workshop, compare it to the last one, and just see this huge amount of success. And so now, after 250 students, I can definitely say that writers get so much better in this workshop. And so we can make this guarantee that you are going to become significantly and demonstrably better in this workshop. And as far as I know, I'm the only workshop that actually guarantees that. And now let's talk about that guarantee because that's actually the second thing. The first thing was the outcome. The second thing is the guarantee. It's risky to sign up for a workshop like this. Like I mentioned already, we're not the cheapest workshop. So what, you're going to pay this money and hope that it's actually going to make a difference? And if you've done workshops or trainings before, you might be skeptical about this. Of I got to pay this money and then I'm going to have this vague idea of being better at writing, whatever that means. And so that's where our guarantee comes in. Like I said, I had taken workshops before and at the end felt kind of ripped off. I didn't feel like I made the kind of progress that they promised on that sales page or in that sales pitch. And so I don't want this to be a part of our workshop. So I have a guarantee. If at the end of the workshop you are not significantly and demonstrably a better writer, then I want you to ask for your money back. I want you to ask for your money back because I can't be another one of those guys that have taken your money and not given you something in return. And here's the thing. You get to decide what that means. You can go back and see your scene at the beginning and see what you're writing at the end and decide, am I a significantly and demonstrably better writer? And if you don't think you are, you just let us know and we'll give you your money back. Now, there is one caveat here. You have to do the homework. You see, our workshops sell out, and so we want to make sure that everybody that comes in gets the spot and actually does the work. So you've got to turn in your scene every week to get feedback. But as long as you turn in your scene every week, you get to decide how good you are and how much progress you've made and whether or not you're happy with your investment. So thing number one was the outcome. Thing number two is the guarantee. It reduces your risk. And then let's look at thing number three. Just the time frame. How long does it actually take to make this kind of progress in your writing, to become demonstrably and significantly better at your writing? You may have been trying to write for a really long time. Maybe it's been years or even decades, and you're kind of skeptical, like, how much progress can I actually make in a workshop? And how long is that going to take? Well, this is the magic of the 6-week time frame. This is a 6-week scene writing workshop. So in just 6 weeks, part of this guarantee is that you'll make more progress in your writing in 6 weeks than 6 years on your own. And again, the reason I can do this is I've just seen it work over and over and over. We've had so many students say they've learned more in the first week than they have in years of trying it on their own. So the third thing that makes these so successful is just the amount of time. You don't have to commit to a ton of time to see any kind of results. These are results you're going to start seeing right away and definitely within that 6-week workshop. So that's thing number three. It's not going to take months and months. You're going to see results in 6 weeks or less. So let's look at thing number four. You may be wondering, well, how much time investment is this going to take? Like when you say 6 weeks, am I going to be studying for 20 hours a week, trying to figure this stuff out? No, we have found it takes about 5, maybe 6 hours a week to get everything done. Because first of all, most of the time we want you to spend actually writing your scene so you can turn it in and get that all important feedback. From there, you've got the weekly training and Q&A. You've got daily exercises that take about 5 minutes a day and you get feedback on those as well. And then you just have to review the feedback from your coach. They're going to send you an annotated version of your scene along with the video that you go through with the feedback on what you did right, what you did wrong, and your homework for the coming week. And then you just have to write your scene. So it's about 5 or 6 hours a week, and that's all it's going to take to see this kind of marked improvement in your writing. So at this important watermark in our workshop, where we've now had over 250 people take this scene writing workshop, I wanted to think about what has made this so successful. Why is it having such a huge impact on writers' lives? And I really think it comes down to those 4 things. First of all, the outcomes. That's the biggest thing. You're going to see a marked improvement in your writing. You're going to become significantly and demonstrably better in your writing in just 6 weeks, and you're going to take that with you forever. You're going to be a better writer for the rest of your life because of this workshop. Also, there's not a lot of risk here. If you come into the workshop and you turn in your scenes and you don't feel like you get better, you just let us know. We'll give you your money back. I don't want to be one of those guys that took your money and didn't give you something great in return. And then also the time frame. This is a 6-week workshop. You're going to see this kind of marked improvement in just 6 weeks of trying to write. And also the time commitment week to week is about 5 to 6 hours. So this isn't something that you have to like stop your entire life to do. You can fit it into your life. You can fit it into what you're already doing. Now, if you're interested in this, make sure you go to storygrid.com/workshop. You can see all the details there about how the workshops work, and you can fill out an application. We just want to make sure that you're a good fit for it because we always have limited spots, and we want to make sure that you're a good fit for it before you jump in. Now, these workshops are a lot of fun, and it's a great way to take your writing to the next level. I just see it work over and over and over. It has been one of the most satisfying things I've done here at StoryGrid is running these workshops because I just see writers get better over and over and over. So definitely go to storygrid.com/workshop and check out the next one and join us for that one. And I'll look forward to seeing you there. If you want to see what can get messed up at that scene level of writing, like what can go wrong at that scene level of writing, I have a video for you that I think is a great one to start with next. That's going to pop up on your video shortly. But either way, thanks so much for being a writer. Thanks so much for being a part of our community here at StoryGrid, and I'll see you next time.